Cubase 14 comes with a brand new, dreamy, atmospheric shimmer reverb. This will allow you to turn any sound into an ethereal soundscape. Let's listen to it. Cubase 14 just got a new reverb. This is the new Shimmer reverb in Cubase 14, and this reverb is really special. This reverb is designed to achieve those beautiful, atmospheric, lush soundscapes. So I want to show you straight away how it works. I'm going to turn it off for a second, and I'm going to play a very simple electric piano part. And I chose this sound because it's very simple, very clean. Now let me show you how it sounds when we turn on Shimmer. And to begin with, I want to show you that this plugin is fully resizable. So let's turn Shimmer on and let's play the same sound. Amazing. Let's go through the controls, but this is a very easy reverb plugin to use. To begin with, of course, we have the mix slider here, and with this one we can introduce a reverb. Or we can go, of course, 100% wet. And this way we can create amazing pads out of any material. So let me start with something very simple. If you turn the sliders all the way down, you get this interesting, almost delay kind of effect. And then we could change the speed. Now we can add the reverb here. Now we can add intensity. And you can see how many different textures we can get. Let's try and pitch it up 1 octave. So this is beautiful, glassy, almost ice-like quality. If we add modulation though, now we're going to get a beautiful lush sound. And let's pitch it down 1 octave. The other thing that you can do is you can limit the range of frequencies that this reverb is going to produce. So if I want to, I can filter out the low frequencies, or I can filter out the top end. So if you want to have a more mellow sound, this might be a good thing to do. Let's try this and let's up the feedback as well. Let's listen to it on a vocal, and what I'm doing here is I'm using an envelope follower modulator to modulate the mix so that when the vocal is present we get less reverb, and then when the vocal stops we get the mix going up. Let's have a listen.
I better come home. Tonight I'm gonna make it on my own. I better come home. I've waited for this moment for so long.
Now let's listen to it on a sample with a sample track. So you can hear the sample is very dark, but when we add the shimmer, sounds good, doesn't it? This is the new Shimmer reverb in Cubase 14. Just run any material through it and get inspired. I will see you in the next video.